At this point, I can't even see the car that I know is in front of me by about 20 yards. Just have to drive slow, and I can't even tell if they're what side of the road I'm on, making sure. I'll turn on my four-ways here. Very, very scary coming around this curve. You just don't know what's there or what's not there. See, the car in front of me is doing the same thing. Just ran over a branch that's been knocked down due to the weather. Just so precarious right now with these conditions. It's hard to tell where the road is to make sure you stay on it. Just follow the two-track almost and pray.